thing I was talking about, a transactions being added to the block, and then a block is basically a chain is created with. So how does a transaction get into the blockchain, right? So a transaction is requested and authenticated. It's a sequence where a block representing the transaction is created. Block is sent to every node in the network. Now, again, as I was saying, and as Pravin sir was also saying, that how the network validates the transaction, right? And how the incentives are given is all specific to the blockchain. So we are basically talking about a transaction is requested. Let's say it's an approval for a loan for $1 million by the bank. We want to record this transaction approval details. Who is the person authorizing it? Who is the requester? What is the amount? All that stuff. It's a transaction. It's requested and it's validated, right? So it's authenticated. Now, once the block is created and it is sent to the node, a node has a node which builds the network, validates this transaction. The node receives a reward, right? So there are, again, proof of work, proof of stake, proof of identity. There are so many consensus mechanisms respective to each and every network. And I think over the next few weeks and months, I think there will be very, very detailed sessions around how the networks are managed, and how even from a Polkadot perspective, we will have understanding of how the network grows and how you interact with different networks. So the nodes who are validating the transactions, they receive a reward, right? In any format. It could be a native currency, or it could be any other format for a reward, and then it is added to the chain, right? And then an update is sent to all the other nodes saying, okay, this is what is this block is already added, and we are good to go. That is when the transaction is complete.